This is a 15 kVA pneumatically operated portable integrated transformer spot welding machine. This has an inbuilt transformer, and this is box is having pneumatics like a parallel and solid valve, pump on off switch, and the diesel controller. Now we'll show you the working of the machine. You can keep the pressure over here, say about 40 psi or 50 psi, depending upon the thickness of the sheet to be welded. This here is a solenoid valve. Here we have a pump on off switch. It can be switched on for using the machine. This over here is a diesel controller. We'll show you the working. This is on off switch. We can switch on the controller, then do the setting as we are showing it now. Now supposing this is a squeeze time, say keep at 30 seconds. Then this is a weld timing, which you can keep say at 15 cycles. Then this is the forge time that you can keep say about 20 cycles. Then this is a percentage of energy that you can keep about 85 to 90%. Now the controller is set. In this also we have for different settings, different schedules, which also can be set as shown you earlier. Then we can start welding by keeping the job between the two electrodes and holding the gun as shown. There is an on-off switch. When you press the switch, the welding will take place. Just see. This is how it is welded.